Today's video is about how to buy excellent wireless earbuds without spending too much money. Please watch this video to the end. By doing so, you can save at least $10 when you buy excellent wireless earbuds. Tips 1. Compare the price for the same wireless earbuds on different platforms. Tips 2. Buy from the professional manufacturer directly if you can. We are a professional wireless earbuds manufacturer and we can offer the most competitive price in our Shopify store. For example, this one in Lazada, the selling price is $69. The ANC Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Earbuds. The same model in a Shopify store, the unit price is $59.99 only. Very different price. Because we are a manufacturer, we can offer the most competitive price. And I can show you another model. This model, K-01, Bluetooth 5.0 headphone true wireless earbuds. This model. The selling price in New Egg is $52.99. $52.99. The same model in our Shopify store. The unit price is $36.99 only. I promise you, they're the same products, the same wireless earbuds produced by our factory. If you find some items in our Shopify store, the features are similar to the others, but the price is higher, please let us know. We will adjust the unit price immediately if the situation is true. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with the people you know. I really appreciate your watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.